how to remove multiple Snapchat friends at once on Snapchat. And so guys, with the recent updates of Snapchat, unfortunately, there is no direct way on how you can go ahead and remove multiple Snapchat friends at once. But we have a workaround on this. Now you simply want to go ahead and open up the Snapchat application. And once inside, you then want to click on your profile icon. Inside your profile icon, you simply want to scroll down and you want to click on the button right here that says My Friends. Now inside, instead of clicking on the conversation, clicking on your friend's name, clicking on the three dots at the corner of your screen, and only then we can go ahead and remove them as a friend. Basically, we can now go ahead and hold click on a specific conversation or friend, click on manage friendship, and from here we can then go ahead and remove them as a friend. Now unfortunately, I cannot go ahead and remove this friend because this is only an AI, but that is a better and shortcut way on how you can go ahead and remove friends on Snapchat. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.